Hello class 9. We are discussing the programming question answer. Question number 5.1. In our last class already have discussed A, B, C, D, E. Now we are going to discuss the question number F. Question number F is terms are 0, 7, 26, 63, 124 like this. So how this series is executed? See carefully. 1 cube is 1 only. 1 power 3 is 1 only. The 1 cube minus 1 comes 0. 2 cube 8, 2 into 2 into 2 8, 8 minus 1 7. 3 cube 3 into 3 into 9 27, minus 1 26. 4 cube 4 into 4 into 4 64, minus 1 63. So if you have noticed, it is the cube minus 1. The terms are cube minus 1. To see the program, int t for the term, int I equal to 1, 1 to 10, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Now we are using the math.pow function, so it comes the value in the double. So make it integer type like this without decimal. We are converting into integer by explicit typecasting. The first time value of I is 1. The 1 cube 1 only, minus 1 0. The 0 is printed. System out print tip 0 is printed. Next I will be 2. The I 2 power 3 8, 8.0. The integer part is 8 only. 8 is printed. 8 minus 1 7 is printed. Next I will be 3. The 3 power 3 is 27. 27 minus 1 26. The 26 is printed. The next I is 4. The 4 power 3 64. 64 minus 1 63 is printed. Okay. Now let us see the output of this program. This program is already typed. Just will see the, you will execute and see the output. Term 6. See the same program. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Get the output. And see 0, 7, 26, 63, 124 up to 999. So this was question number F. Now G. Very easy. 1, 9, 25, 49, 81, 121 till 361. To see, it is generating an odd number series. After 1, 3. After 3, 5. And finding its square. The first number is 1. To 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 plus 2, 3. The 3 into 3, 9. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Then 5 into 5, 25. Next one, 7. The 7 into 7, 49. So it is generating all the numbers from 1 to 19. And updation will be 2. I am finding the square. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square, 11 square, 13 square, like this. Up to 19 square. Okay. So I equal to 1, I less than equal to 19, I plus equal to 2. System out print I into I. This much only. So let us see the output. Term 7. See, int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 19, I plus equal to 2. System out print 1 into 1. Compile. No syntax error. Get the output. And output is 1, 9, 25, 49, 81, 121 till 361. Okay, same output. Now, next question is question number H. How it is done? It is just like G only. A square of all the even number from 2 to 20. A square of all the even numbers from 2 to 20. The 2 square 4, after 2 comes 4, 4 square 16, after 16 comes 6, 6 square 36, after 36 comes 8 square 64, then 10 square 100, 12 square 144, 14 square 196, up to 20 square. See the program. Int I equal to 2, I less than equal to 20, I plus equal to 2. System out println I into I, 2 into 2, 4. 4 is printed without changing the line. Again 4 plus 2, 6. 6 into 6, now 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. Then it will be 6 into 6, 36. Then 8 into 8, 64. Up to 20. 20 into 20, 400. Okay. This way the series is formed. Let us see the output. See the program. Int I equal to 2, I less than equal to 20, I plus equal to 2. System out print I into I up to 20. Compile. No error. Get the output. And here the output is 4, 16, 36, 64, 100, 144, 196, 256, 324 up to 400. Okay. So this was. Now next question is I 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, 35 up to 99. So if you have noticed, it is square minus 1. Square of all the numbers from 1 till 10 minus 1. So 1 square 1 minus 1 0. 2 square 4 minus 1 3. 3 square 9 minus 1 8. 4 square 16 minus 1 15. 5 square 24 25 minus 1 24. 6 square 36 minus 1. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus, system out print I into I minus 1. Next I will be 2 into 2 minus 1. Next I will be 3 into 3 minus 1. Okay. Now let us see the output. Compile. Get the output. Let's see 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, 35 up to 99. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Next programming question is 24, 99, 224, 399, 624, 899. So if you have noticed, it is multiples of 5 minus 1. No, square of 5 minus 1. Not multiples, square of 5 minus 1. The 5 square, table of 5, 5 square 25, minus 1 24. After 5 comes 10. 10 square 100, minus 1 99. Then comes 50, 15. 15 square 225, minus 1 224. Then comes 20. 20 square 400, minus 1 399. So it is table of 5, multiple of 5, 5 till 50, and it's a square minus 1. To see the program, t equal to int mat dot pow I comma 2. The I value is 5, the 5 power 2, 25, minus 1, 24. 24 is printed. Next I will be 5 plus 5, 10. The 10 square 100, minus 1, 99. The next I will be 15. 15 square 225, minus 1, 224. Okay. So let us see the output. Compile the program. No mistake. Get the output. See 24, 99 to 24, 399, 624, 899 up to 2499. 15 square 2500. The 2500 minus 1, 2499. Okay. Now let us see the last series program, term program, that is K. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, 65, 82, 101. How it is coming? Square plus 1. All the natural number from 1 to 10, and it is square plus 1. Like 1 square 1 plus 1 2, 2 square 4 plus 1 5, 3 square 9 plus 1 10, 4 square 16 plus 1 17, 5 square 25 plus 1 26, 6 square 30, 6 square 36 minus 1 37, up to 10 square 100, 100 plus 1 101, not minus 1 plus 1 101. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. System out print I into I plus 1. To 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Next I will be 2. The 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Next I will be 3. The 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Up to 10 into 10, 100 and plus 1, 101. Alright. Get the output. Int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Okay. See 2, 5, 10, 17, 26 up to 101. So in today's class we have discussed all the terms programs of question number 1. Write all these programs in your copy and practice. Thank you.